Why is the music so sad? When we look at the great ancient rainforests of our planet, we often see a world of vibrant color, boundless energy, and unmatched beauty. But if you listen closely to the rhythm of the canopy, you begin to feel an underlying gravity, a profound, almost heartbreaking weight. Because underneath this breathtaking emerald empire lies an unforgiving truth. To hold a throne in the wild, you must be willing to pay the ultimate price in survival. Look up into the dizzying heights of the upper strata. Here, hundreds of feet above the forest floor, we find the primates who have conquered gravity itself. To the human eye, the movement of a golden gibbon or a slender langur is pure poetry. They glide through the treetops like acrobats, testing the limits of the thinnest branches against a vast sky. It looks like absolute freedom. But science tells us a different story. Biologists call this arboreal locomotion, and in this environment, it is a daily dance with death. One loose grip, one rotten branch, or one miscalculated leap means a fatal fall through the canopy. These creatures do not play, they calculate. Every movement is a high-stakes strategy to find food while preserving every ounce of precious metabolic energy. In a dense jungle, running out of energy means running out of life. As we descend into the mid-canopy, the atmosphere shifts. The light dims, filtered by millions of leaves. And here, the true burden of leadership reveals itself. Meet the sentinels. When you see a solitary macaque sitting in absolute silence on a moss-covered bough, it isn't resting. It is working. In the wild, vigilance is a full-time, exhausting job. Apex predators strike from every direction. Leopards move like ghosts through the undergrowth. Massive eagles drop silently from the sky. To survive, these primates have evolved a complex, highly advanced social structure. They utilize a network of ancient vines as a defensive highway. When a sentinel spots danger, it doesn't just flee. It sounds an alarm call, risking its own location to save the troop. The peace of the jungle is an illusion. It is a landscape of permanent, exhausting alertness. But how do they endure this constant pressure? The answer lies in each other. In the heart of the wilderness, isolation is a death sentence. To stay alive, these primates build unbreakable alliances. Social grooming isn't just about cleanliness, it is a tactical ritual. It releases endorphins, lowers heart rates, and establishes a circle of trust that will be tested when the next crisis arrives. And nowhere is this bond more heartbreakingly beautiful than between a mother and her infant. Look past the wild exterior, and you see a universal devotion. A mother will carry her newborn through terrifying leaps, shield it from tropical storms with her own body, and defend it against predators 10 times her size. In a world dictated by raw instinct, love is the ultimate survival strategy. Yet, the boundaries of their kingdom are changing. In certain corners of the world, the ancient trails of the jungle meet the stone remnants of human history. Macaques now guard crumbling ruins like living statues, claiming ownership over a world that changed around them. And they are not alone. Deep in the shadows, moving like a ghost through the undergrowth, is the original human hunter. Bound to the forest by blood and tradition, indigenous tribes have shared these canopies for millennia. They do not conquer the wilderness, they belong to it. But as the modern world closes in, Both man and primate face the same silent, looming tragedy, the loss of the untamed world. So why is the music so sad? Perhaps it's because when we look into their eyes, we recognize something familiar, an ancient intelligence, a shared lineage of emotion, family, and struggle. The wilderness does not offer comfort, and it does not offer guarantees, but for those who adapt, those who fight, and those who protect their own, it offers a kingdom. They remain the undisputed sovereigns of the trees. This is their legacy. This is the throne of the wild.